Just pass out of the school, college is about to start soon. But one thing I have figured out, I want to start coding. I have spent hours scrolling through YouTube asking questions to ChatGPT, and finally two major themes stood out: web development and AIML. But here's the big question, where do I start? Which programming language should I learn first? Python or C++? Let's be honest. Python is a beginner friendly. It's a simple to understand and perfect if you want to get into AI or data science. On the other hand, C++ is a bit tough, but it's a king when it comes to competitive programming. It's a super fast and give you a great control over your code. Web development is a practical skill. You can start building websites, land internships, or even freelance early on. AI is a deep field. It's a future proof. If you are into automation, smart tech, or a data, it's a great path. Competitive programming, that's all about the logic, speed, and problem solving. Super useful during the college placements. To be honest, I haven't decided which direction to choose yet. But one thing is clear, I'm going to start coding, and for that, Python is a perfect first step. I will start with the basic variables, loops, functions, and over the time, I will figure out my path. If you are also confused like me, just start, don't wait for the perfect roadmap. You can upgrade the roadmap as per the time. Pick up the Python, learn the basics, and keep exploring. The direction will come, but you need to begin first. If this video is helpful or felt relatable, then drop the comment below. Let's start our coding journey together.